Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super fun. We are trimming the eyebrows and let me tell you, they definitely need a trim. What you'll need is either a comb or I'm using Mary Kay's eyebrow eyeliner brush, which is really awesome. It has the curly tip and then the liner edge tip. My name's Angela. If you're new, make sure you guys subscribe and hit the bell notification on because I have a DIY hair series coming on in November and you definitely don't want to miss it. It's a lot of like how to cut your own face frame, how to foil your hair, stuff like that. So make sure you subscribe if you're new and leave a little comment about yourself down below. I would love to meet you. So let's get into it. The biggest mistake people make when they trim their eyebrows is they take too much hair, okay? This is what I learned what to do in cosmetology school, which is like forever ago. But what you're gonna do is you're going to comb your eyebrows hairs up and you're literally just gonna take the very tips off, okay? And I really don't trim too much of these hairs because I don't have a ton of hairs and I like to keep it more of a thick look, so I'm gonna focus more on like the top hairs. But yeah, just comb it up. It's kind of hard to do this with the camera. And already you can just see that it looks way better. It works better. Sometimes if you like curl the brush a little bit, if you use a comb, you just comb straight up. Yeah, and I'm not gonna do any down there. But if you can tell, they just lay so much better. They're just way more tame now. Like this is like a thick chunk. And I'm just very long overdue for these. So yeah, you just pull it up. And you can always take more, you guys. Ooh, yeah, that looks so much better, wow. My depth perception is like off a little bit. That's literally all you do. And I'm using these little scissors, which I got in it came into a little thing like this from the Dollar Tree. Is that the brand? So yeah, $1. But yeah, that's all you do. And then you can go in with your favorite brow products. Like I'm using my Brow Precision Liner and your Brow Volumizing Brow Tint. So from Mary Kay, holla. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you have a wonderful day, okay? Go do something you want to do.